Good morning. Here we are in Newport Coast. So we will be setting down these just over 1,000 feet, probably around 1,500 feet today. Well, we're starting it today. As you can see, it's a dark color, dark deep brown. We're going to basically return it back to its original tone, or at least close to it, without taking too much off the surface. Basically, just need a really, really good cleanup. Involves this one, of course, this little entertainment room. I believe that's the wine room or wine cellar area. 8 steps that need to be redone with a small landing up there. There's so many rooms I can't even name them all. I think this might be the main living room area or fireplace. We are not going in there. That's tile. Take this small little walkway over here, heading toward the pantry, kitchen. As you see, they're still doing work around here. More or less the dining room here. And I believe this is technically the family room. It's got another TV there. So it's going to be quite a bit of work. I figure maybe 4 days, take care of it all total. But we'll get a really good idea after today. Here we go.